Have you ever looked at your investment portfolio and thought, this is great, but I wish there was a bit more spice? Maybe you've been eyeing Bitcoin, that digital gold, but aren't sure how to fit it into your long-term investment strategy. Well, what if I told you there's a platform that lets you casually invest in both stocks and crypto? Intrigued? Let's talk about adding Bitcoin to Acorns. Understanding Acorns. Before we dive into the Bitcoin part, let's quickly recap what Acorns is. For those new to the game, Acorns is a micro-investing app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's like having a tiny financial wizard automating your savings. Pretty cool, right? But it's not just about spare change. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. Why Bitcoin and Acorns? Now, why would you want to combine Bitcoin, the volatile digital currency, with Acorns, the long-term investment platform? Well, diversification is key in investing. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By adding Bitcoin to your Acorns portfolio, you are potentially introducing a new asset class with the potential for higher returns. But remember, Bitcoin is also known for its volatility, so it's essential to approach it with a long-term perspective. Can you directly add Bitcoin to Acorns? Short answer, not directly. Acorns primarily focuses on stocks and ETFs. But fear not, crypto enthusiasts. There are workarounds. Option 1, DCA with Bitcoin through Acorns. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money in an asset at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. You can use Acorns to DCA into Bitcoin indirectly. How? Choose a Bitcoin ETF. There are Bitcoin ETFs that track the price of Bitcoin. You can invest in these ETFs through Acorns. Set up recurring investments. Use Acorns' recurring investment feature to invest a fixed amount in the Bitcoin ETF at regular intervals. This way, you're indirectly exposing your portfolio to Bitcoin without dealing with the complexities of crypto exchanges. Option 2, external Bitcoin investment and portfolio tracking. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can invest in Bitcoin on a separate crypto exchange and then track your holdings within the Acorns app. Choose a crypto exchange, research and select a reputable crypto exchange to buy Bitcoin. Track your investments. Manually add your Bitcoin holdings to Acorns' portfolio tracking feature. This gives you a holistic view of your entire investment portfolio. Important considerations. Before you dive headfirst into Bitcoin, remember: volatility. Bitcoin is known for its price fluctuations. Be prepared for ups and downs. Fees. Consider the fees associated with buying, holding, and selling Bitcoin. Security. Safeguarding your Bitcoin requires extra precautions compared to traditional investments. Diversification. Bitcoin should be part of a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Conclusion. Adding Bitcoin to your Acorns portfolio can be a strategic move, but it's essential to approach it with careful consideration. Understand the risks and rewards, and align your investment strategy with your financial goals. Whether you choose the indirect route through Bitcoin ETFs or the more hands-on approach, the key is to diversify your portfolio and invest for the long term. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.